Hello friends, in advanced web designing our topic is list in HTML. We have seen ordered list and unordered list and various examples of the ordered list and unordered list in previous lectures. Today we will see what is definition list. Let's see, I have made one program. First you have to understand when you want to make a definition list, then you should know three tags. Those three tags are, one is DL, that is your definition list. In that you will define the terms which you want to list. So for that you will use DT tag. This will be the terms which you want to define. If you want the definition of information technology, then the DT, you should write the information technology in DT tag, so that you can see that DT as the term of that point, and the definition of that point, that term, can be seen in DD tag. So to create, you will have to create definition list, you will have to use DL tag. To define the terms, you will have to write DT tag, and to write the definitions, you will have to write DD tag. Let's see, I have made one program here. See, I have used examples of HTML definitions. So my definitions are web, another definition is HTML, and third definition is CSS. So I want this web, HTML and CSS are the lists of my definitions. These are the three definitions I want to list. So I have used DL tag here. So my definition list will be start, and my first definition will be web, and it is defined in DD tag here. Let's see, the part of the internet that contains the website and web page. This is the definition of what? Web, and this web is shown in the DT. So DT is the term and DD is the definition. So the point will be written in the DT, and its definition will be given in the DD tag. So I hope you understand this. We will run this program so you can better understand this. So see, I'm running this. I will zoom it to show you more clearly. See the examples of HTML definition list, and my DT tag is this and my DD tag is this. So if you want to see this kind of output, so you should use DL tag. So if I want to see this definition list, what is the list of definition? These three members of your definition list. And your first definition is written in the DT tag, and it is defined in the DD tag, and the second one is another one is written in the DT tag. You can see here HTML is written in the DT tag, web is written in the DT tag, and CSS is also written in the DT tag. That's why these are the definition terms, and DD is the definition is defined here, the definition defined here, so it is DD, and definition term, that's why it is a DT tag. So you can see the output here. This is written in the DT and this is written in the DD. So this is about the definition list. You can create many list items. I will show you, I will add another item here, so you will understand more. If I add DT here, and if I write GUI, and GUI is my so I'm also making it bold so you can see this in bold. And my definition will be, I'm just writing its full form, I'm not writing its definition, I will just write its full form. So what is its full form? Graphical user interface, and the DD is closed here. So I am just adding one more list member in this. So if I save this and if we will run this program again, so you can see GUI here and graphical user interface as your definition. So this is all about definition list. I hope you understand. We will see more list in next lectures. Thank you so much.